Raymond was hired to perform the framing, drywall, finishes, acoustic package at a large-scale theater project here in Las Vegas. We reached out to Leading Edge to get involved with the project primarily to get a competitive number for our scaffold needs.
Our difficulty was the engineering side of it. They wanted to kind of try to keep the area open down below and try to minimize the exposure because they had framing and concrete going down below. We were originally wanting to do a solid platform. The platform was overloading the bottom cord, so we had to come in with the concept of a rolling unit, which would minimize the point load on the bottom cords.
So the benefits of the rolling system, one of them is erection and takedown time frame. Normally, your labor would walk up the stairs, and in this case, it's an 80-foot, 90-foot climb on the stairs. This way, they're going to take the manlift and go right to the platform where they get on the rolling scaffolding. Another benefit is keeping the entire underfloor of the scaffolding open so all other trades can work concurrently with us working up top.
Not only are we excited to put it up, but we're also excited to expose a new product to the industry and hopefully broaden people's vision of what they can do with scaffolding.